Alright, we're going to some gorge place in Slovenia, Bled. Somewhere over there. Should be pretty nice. I have provisions in case we get lost. Chocolate. Very nice. Obviously they don't have sidewalks here. It seems incredibly dangerous. But it should be a nice little tour. And then maybe I'll go to the lake afterwards. We'll do that tomorrow. We're approaching, however the hell you say that, Vintgar Gorge. It's a pretty nice walk so far. Actually very, very far. Farther than it seemed, but very peaceful. Nice fall, leaves are changing colors. So pretty cool. So here we are. And neat little wooden bridge. Snakes along up here. Yeah, this is really cool. If you're into nature, this is definitely something that you will enjoy. Very serene. Almost like it's raining on you. And further down the river we go. All throughout Slovenia I'm seeing these little shrines everywhere, and here's one. Right next to the water. It's pretty cool. It's Jesus Christ right there on the cross. So even in some of their biggest tourist attractions, I got that. This actually looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll take a photo of it. That was a weird experience, videotaping me taking a photo. First for everything. Look at all those old people trekking. How do they do it so quickly? Started 20 minutes after us. I don't know what it is. Maybe it depends what country they're from, huh? Some of them might be used to marching. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Sorry. This wasn't the best one. Oh. One of them, I just did talk to one of them, and they actually are German, so my off-color joke and stereotype was somewhat accurate. Just wanted to point out. Here is a peaceful and quiet section of the river. Very nice scenery. The old people are nowhere to be found right now. Just zoomed off there. If you want, I guess you could really swim here. But anyway, yeah, I guess those old people are just in such a hurry because they don't have much time left. They gotta see everything before they can't, right? No, I don't know. I don't know. Seems like this just takes on forever though. I certainly hope there's something at the end of it. You know, it'd be nice if we could like fish off here and catch a trout or something. Eat it along the way. Cook it on a fire. You can get it. So this looks like the waterfall up here. Maybe. I'm assuming so. What did the book say? That it is anticlimactic?
Yeah.
Apparently it turned these people old. Yeah, we've been trying not to get our hopes up because everyone we've seen that's come back from the waterfall has had a very sad look on their face. Dum, dum, dum. Oh my God! It's amazing! It's the waterfall of a lifetime, people. And if you're brave, you go up to right there and you dive off. All the way down there. So I don't know if people actually walk this to see the waterfall. I don't know if we did or not, but you should not. Just enjoy the view, because it is quite spectacular. Oh, I wonder if that person's gonna jump. Jump! This is the Niagara Falls of Slovenia. I don't remember what it's called though. So Niagara Falls in Slovenia. Beautiful lush greenery everywhere. Leaves changing color. Very nice walk to get up here. Very relaxing. And this is where the little guy from Lord of the Rings lives. What's his name? Smeargold or whatever? I don't know his name. That's where he lives when he's not looking for the ring. This might be the actual waterfall that we came to see. Alright, so here is the real waterfall from the bottom. I don't know if it's impressive as far as waterfalls go, but it's certainly much better than the other one we saw. So this would be Slovenia's Niagara Falls. That's what they got. Small country, small falls. Pretty nice though. Pretty nice. Slovakian Niagara Falls. Welcome. I mean Slovenia. Slovenian Niagara Falls.